Hey guys, so today I have my Ipsy bag for the month of September, so let's get into it. Okay, so first here is the bag. It's really cute. It's got gold accent right here with little eyelashes and a gold tassel. And the inside has a pink lining. Okay, so the first thing in here that did not fit in the bag are these avocado sheet masks. These are the Botanic Farm Natural Energy Avocado Mask Sheet. So, I like sheet masks. I have a million of them, so I will try these out and see how I like them. I don't feel like sheet masks really do something very significant, but I feel like they're very relaxing and it's nice to just chill out with a sheet mask on. So I will definitely use these. Okay, so the next thing in here is a nail polish from Pretty Woman. This is a 10 free brand and this is in the color Nude or Nothing. I've already gotten 2 other nail polishes from this brand from Ipsy. I have a slightly more pale nude and a metallic purple, and I do like those, so I will definitely try this out and see how I like it. This is definitely a nude, but more of a pinky tone. And next we have this MPrincess eyeshadow in Pretty Petal. So let's open this up and see the color of it. So this is just like a loose shadow in here, so let me tap some out. So here it is. It's like a pink shadow with a very strong gold shift. It's really pretty. I think I'll try some on to see how it looks actually. Okay, so it is pretty subtle, but it does have a really strong sheen to it, so I think it's really pretty. Okay, and next in here is a Luxie brush, which is in collaboration with DC, and this is the Harley Quinn brush. It says "Good Night" on it. So this is the 110. It looks like it's a rounded buffer brush, so maybe for like concealer, probably for like under the eyes and such. So this is cool. I like this brush. It looks really nice. I like the metallic red ferrule. So one of my favorite things to get in subscription boxes are brushes, just because it's the best way to grow your brush collection if you don't have a lot. And Luxie's brushes are some of my favorites, so I will definitely try this out and see how I like it. And lastly in here we have a liquid lipstick. This is the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in Babe Alert. This is one of my favorite liquid lipsticks and I don't have this color, so that's pretty cool. And I feel like this is one of the longest lasting liquid lipsticks that I have, and it's not too drying and it wears off very gracefully, so I really like this liquid lipstick, so I think I'll try it on. Okay, so here's the color on. I really like it. It's just a nice peachy nude, and I really like the applicator on these. It has like a nice pointed arrow tip, so it makes it really easy to get around the edges of your lips. So going through all the products, I would definitely say the liquid lipstick is my favorite, just because I already know I love this formula, and I really like the color as well, so that's pretty cool. And I also love Luxie brushes, so this is pretty awesome as well. I have tried this nail polish formula before and I know I like it, but I'm not sure how I would like the color. I don't really use nude polishes all too often, so this is kind of eh. The MPrincess shadow, it looks really pretty, but it is pretty sheer, so I do like it. It's just not my favorite. And then the avocado sheet masks. I do love sheet masks and I will definitely use these, so those are pretty nice as well. So I would say overall this month was pretty nice. I'm not really upset or dislike anything that I got. So let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag this month, and I will see you in my next video.